Hello, hello. I got my best friend and this is my first video. What's up? Okay, shut up, okay. This time, I'm gonna fight my friend. Oh, yes, it's gonna be.
Bro, he was recording. Oh my god.
No, you're dead. Look at him.
What the? Oh, this guy's cute.
Look at him. We have this dog that is cuter than anybody. And
That's the funny out.
that's right, they're fighting you. They're fighting you. Shh.
Help! Somebody help, please. I'm seriously gonna die by dogs.
Oh my God. Do you want to touch Sally? Sally, meow, meow.
Wait,
You wanna touch her?
Is her middle name? Her last name is Meow Meow.
No, middle name is Meow Meow. First name is Sally. She has only two names, and Bruno too, and Max. Oh my God!
I'm going to hide from the dogs.
Boom!
Get scared of them? I think the
Dogs don't get scared, and it's so dark in that room. Okay, there. It's on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. There's the mad dog.
What? You have a character?
The mad dog is this dog. And the funny dog is this dog. Put him on the camera.
Bro,
There
you're
you
not a YouTuber.
There.
You're not a YouTuber.
Yeah.
I'm part of the YouTuber, okay?
I was about to smack you, but you just ran away.
Oh yeah? I'm about to smack you into the face. Let's do it.
Okay, let's put the camera up. What, here? Wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. Here's the pro. Now we...
You need camera.
No. Okay, there. Let's fight.
You can kick in the nuts for that. I remember my mom said we can't fight. What the freak?
Okay, let's not fight. Oh. I saw you. You were about to kick me.
No,
That's a butt.
Andy, I prefer to not be scared. Why?
Oh my God, there's poop.
Oh.
You stepped on poop,
I
cat.
did it.
That's poop, cat.
That's a leaf and that's poop.
No, they're both poop.
They're both leaves.
No,
Like,
they're both poop.
One is poop and one is a leaf.
Now, let me go back to the living room
Me too.
where we have YouTube on TV
Okay.
and movies on
I
TV.
get the seat.
Okay, let's see if we can find...
Can you do YouTube on that on TV?
I got
Let's
us.
watch YouTube on TV.
Ah!
Bruh, so you can watch your videos on the TV.
Oh my God.
That is what you're reading on TV.
Oh God! Ooh.
Good idea for me, right?
Yeah.
Hey, don't eat my poopy
Whoa!
sauce.
What? Okay, stop. Okay.
Bruno. I don't know what's his name, remember? Bruno.
This
Bruno. That one is Max. I know he's Max. I remember that.
he's.
take the video for you.
Oh my God! Okay. Take the video and you guys might know me. And this is my first video about fighting. No. Check out my dad videos! Ah! And over the video. Oh my God! Ah, he's a.
Lee, you see his butt? Give me the video.
There you go. Hello. Get out! Get out of my video!
What the frick?
That's right! What the freak? Oh my God! What the freak? Go to the wall!
Go to the wall.
I prefer you So guys, here's his fidget.
Hello. Give me that.
Okay.
Give me your dirty poop.
Okay, where's mine?
Let's go to the trampoline.
Oh, here's mine. Okay, no trampoline today.
Mine's not even cooler than his.
Oh my God, you want here? This one is made of plastic. That one is like.
Let's go.
You wanna fight with mine?
Yeah. Hey, oh, so this thing killed.
Wait.
This one's made out of metal.
I can be.
I think both lose.
This one is hard, man.
Yeah, it's hard.
Oh, fidgets. Okay.
There's a fidget cube.
A fidget cube. I don't have one of those. Yay!
Whoa!
You
Coming up? You're gonna get the. You won't say me say the F word.
Okay, say that if you want to. Your mom. Oh. Well, this it's not like we can't fight.
Okay.
So this time,
What the freak? Let's go. Missed. You just got missed on another level. Can you blow your iPad? Where's your iPad? Stop! I'm gonna tell my mom on you. I swear. And remember, if your mom sees that we're fighting, she will not bring me here. So better listen. Bro, I did brought some chips. I brought chips.
you brought chips?
Yeah.
Where's
My
boy?
bag? Where's my bag?
On the table.
Huh?
On the table. Oh my God. Okay. So,
See? Chips.
okay, you have Takis.
Yes, they're Doritos.
Choritos!
They're spicy, Julio. They're spicy.
Give me.
Give me.
Okay, I got a flat one. Flat one, huh? They're not that spicy.
Andy?
¿Ah?
¿Con quién te viniste?
Con mi mami porque me trabaja y también soy de trabajar en la mañana y por eso me quedé aquí. Max, huh?
It's in the video right now.
Una gallina.
Wait, Julio, can Julio!
What?
Can he eat spicy stuff?
No, he can't.
You get burnt by his butt.
You're gonna get sick. They both think it's funny, but this is the end of the video.